Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another video in the minimalism series. I feel like it's been a little bit since I did one of these, and it's probably because I started that daily vlogging thing in December and then that got out of control and then I just jumped back to my regular health and fitness content. But I'm here today with another edition. If you are new to my channel, I have a whole playlist called the Minimalism series, and it covers a bunch of different topics about decluttering and organization. So make sure you hit subscribe and then you go check that one out after this video. In today's video, I'm talking about 9 habits which I think are perfect to use at the start of every month to make sure that you are organized for the weeks to come. They should help keep you on track when it comes to your organization, and they should also help keep you on track when it comes to clutter around the home or on your digital devices. If you do end up enjoying the video, I would love it so much if you would give it a thumbs up for me, and now I'm going to jump into my 9 tips. So we'll work our way backwards and start with point number 9, which is to plan your goals. Regardless of whether these are health and fitness goals or there's something to do with your education or work, having goals in place is going to keep you on track for the month. Next, we are going to declutter bags. So I'm talking about backpacks, gym bags, and handbags. Any bag that gets used frequently, this is the kind of thing that we tend to skip over and forget. So jump onto this at the start of every month. Now it's time to go through your phone and delete the photos that you don't need. If you didn't know, there is a little tip that you can do. You can press on one photo and then drag, and it will select multiple at once just to make bulk deleting easier. The start of each month is also a great time to do a digital declutter. So hotspots usually are the desktop, the downloads folder, and also make sure that you've got backups on your hard drive. Schedule in some downtime or some fun time for yourself where you get to actually hang out with your friends so that you're not constantly stressing or just worrying about work and going home and repeating. Make sure that there's time in there to actually enjoy yourself. We're down to point number 4 now, and that is to do a pantry and fridge clear out at the start of every month. These are very high traffic areas in the home and can tend to slip by the wayside unless you keep them under control. Make sure that you fully empty them out and clean them down properly. The first few days of each month is also a great time to reassess budgets. Obviously I can't put my real budget on the screen, so I opened up Excel, which does have a budget format that you can use to put in your expenses. Number 2 is to get down to inbox 0. Ideally, you should be doing this every day or every week, but it is so easy to let this slip aside, especially if it's a work email inbox. So take the first day or the second day of each month to make sure you clear out your inbox. After you've done your big initial decluttering, what we're going to do is every month find one space, whether that's a drawer, a cupboard, just one little area to declutter again. And this is just to make sure things aren't building up. We can make sure that we've still got the same amount or even less in the area. And it's just a good opportunity to reassess what you own and if you actually need it. If you have any extra ones to add, feel free to drop a comment below and leave it there. I feel like these are great little ways to start off your month and get the ball rolling. If you are new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!